Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to the Science MCQ Preparatory Exam series. As we have left only few days for the exam, in this video I'll discuss preparatory paper 7 and 8 together, covering 80 questions. In total, you'll be learning 280 questions. Do watch the complete videos what I posted earlier and also this series, and join my live session so that it will be a good revision for you. First question: an electric bulb is rated 220 volt 100 watts. When it is operated on 100 watts, what will be the power consumed? We know that power equals V square divided by R. By using the first condition, we need to find out resistance. R equals V square by P. R equals V square means 220 into 220 divided by 100. Now 0 and 0, 0 and 0 we cancel out. We get R equals 22 into 20 is 484 ohm. So we got the resistance of electric bulb is 484 ohm. Now we should find out the power consumed when it is operated on 110 volts. Now P equals V square. We use the same formula, V square divided by R. Now the voltage will be different, that is 110 into 110 divided by 484. Now 110 into 110 divided by 484, we get 25 watts. Therefore the power consumed is 25 watts. This is little bit lengthy question. This kind of question will not be asked. Just understand the concept. They may ask only the first part or the second part. Power equals V into I, power equals I square R, and power equals V square divided by R. These are the three important formulas. Now moving to next question. Coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge. Now moving to 43rd question. How much current will be an electric bulb draw from a 220 volt source if the resistance of the filament is 1200 ohms? By using Ohm's law, that is V equals I into R. Now I equals V divided by R. So 220 divided by 1200, we get 0.18 amperes. 220 divided by 1200 ohms, we get 0.18 amperes. Next question. The function of voltmeter in an electric circuit is to measure the potential difference. Therefore the correct answer is option D, measure the potential difference. What is the function of ammeter? The function of ammeter is to measure the electric current. Next question. The total resistance in the parallel circuit decreases. Very important concept. The total resistance in the parallel circuit decreases, whereas the total resistance in the series circuit increases. Therefore the correct answer for 45th question is option B, decreases. 46th question. A positively charged particle, alpha particle, projected towards west is deflected towards the north by a magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is upwards. Now the next question. In Fleming's left hand rule, the thumb represents Option B, the direction of the motion of the conductor. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. The function of the commutator. The function of the commutator is to reverse the direction of flow of current. Next question. Where the image formed when an object placed beyond 2f1 of a convex lens. The object should be placed between f2 and 2f2. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Now, the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter is P equals what? 1 divided by F. Therefore, P equals 1 divided by F is 2. Therefore, we get 0.5. Since it is concave, it will be negative. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, minus 0.5 D. Minus indicates that is the lens is concave. Minus sign indicates the lens is concave. Now the next question. Observe the given table in which material medium the speed of light is very low. The speed of the light in the medium will be very low in case of the medium R because it has high refractive index. What happens when a ray of light passes through the optic center of the lens? The answer is it passes without any deviation, but the option is not there. Out of all the 4 options, the correct option is when a ray of light traveling parallel to principal axis after refraction. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, ray of light traveling parallel to principal axis after refraction in concave lens. Now the next question, the function of solar cell is to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Next question, a turbine cannot be rotated by using heat of sun. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, heat of sun. Now moving to next question. As the pH value of a solution decreases, the number of H plus ions increases. As acidity increases, acidic nature increases, the number of H plus ions increases. Next question. Which of the following is used for treating indigestion? Therefore, the correct answer option C, antacid. Next question, the acid present in the stinging air of beetle is methanoic acid. The correct answer is option C, methanoic acid. The process used to convert metal carbonates into oxides is by the process of calcination. Which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron fry pan from rusting? To prevent an iron frying pan is by applying a coat of zinc. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Components of an alloy solder is lead and tin. Next question. The functional group present in the butanone is O represents the functional group ketone. The unsaturated compounds are propene and propyne. Therefore, the correct answer is 2 and 3. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. The self-linkage of carbon atoms to form large chain is called as catenation. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Student, if you have seen my live session, it will be very easy to answer these questions. On what basis Mendeleev constructed the periodic table? It is based on atomic mass. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Which 2 elements are placed in the same slot in Newland's octet table? The answer is option A, cobalt and nickel. Next question. Blood vessels that carry blood from all the parts of the human body to the heart is veins. Next question. The correct path of oxygenated blood from lungs to heart is, the correct answer is option D, pulmonary vein left atrium and left ventricle. By this process, the plant loses excess of water from its body. It's by the process transpiration. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, transpiration. The main part of the brain which maintains body balance is cerebellum. Next question. Movement of sunflower towards the direction of sun is an example of phototropism. Next question. Hormone which inhibits the growth of plant is abscisic acid. Next question. Which part of the flower develops into fruit after fertilization? The correct answer is option B, ovary. The male reproductive part which secretes the fluid and provides nourishment to sperm is prostate gland. Next question. An example of homologous organs are our arm and forelegs of the dog, our teeth and elephant ivory. The correct answer is both A and B. The genotypic ratio of Mendel's monohybrid cross is genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Speciation occurs when this factor is accompanied by variation. The correct answer is all the above: natural selection, geographical isolation, heredity. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Next question. Factor to be followed to ensure underground water is, the correct answer is option B, afforestation. Next question. Biodiversity hotspot is option B, forest. An example for non-biodegradable waste is, the question is little bit wrong. An example for biodegradable waste will be option D, agricultural waste. We move on. So the correct answer is option D, agricultural waste is an biodegradable waste. Other three options are non-biodegradable waste. Students, with this MCQ preparatory paper, you have learned 280 questions. I hope all these questions are very important. Do study well, understand the concept, do attend the live session, and do revise all the units and watch my complete video series. Moving to MCQ preparatory question number 8. In these 8 papers, you will be learning 320 questions. It's a huge number of questions. I hope if you read all these questions and my revision classes, definitely can score good marks. Moving to first question. The pH of 4 acids are 2, 5, 3, 6. Which among the following is strong? The correct answer is option A, P, because it is the strong acid. Less pH, more the acidity. The two products formed during neutralization reaction is salt and water. Base changes the litmus paper color from red to blue. The correct answer is option A, red to blue. In case of acid, it is blue to red. Now the next question. In the reactivity series, more reactive and less reactive elements are. The more reactive is among the following is potassium and least reactive is gold. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, potassium and gold, that is K and Au. You can check the reactivity series from the unit metals and non-metals, which will be very easy to remember the more and least reactive elements. Now the next question. The characteristic of ionic compound is they can be dissolved in water, they have high melting point and boiling point, they are solid in state. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, all the above. Now the next question. An alloy made up of mixture of copper and tin is, the mixture of copper and tin is bronze. The correct electron dot structure of nitrogen is, do observe, you can check the unit carbon and its compound. The correct answer is option C. It shares 3 electrons. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Next question. The catalyst used in hydrogenation of oil is nickel. Next question. The bottom of cooking vessel is black. It means or it represents incomplete combustion of fuel. Incomplete combustion of fuel. Next question. The functional group present in the compound. If you observe, it contains the functional group COOH. It means carboxylic acid. The element which does not belong to 18th group is helium, neon and argon or 18th group elements. Carbon does not belong to 18th group. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, carbon. The group is also called as zero group because it has complete octet structure. Next question. Sodium, potassium, magnesium, rubidium are arranged in increasing order of their atomic weight is option B, magnesium, sodium, potassium and rubidium. Next question. The part A labeled in the nephron is it is collecting duct. Check out the figure nephron. Next question. A person is having wounds which is not healing due to more sugar in the blood. The hormone which controls the sugar in blood is insulin, which is secreted by pancreas. Based on hormones, definitely you will get minimum 2 questions from the unit control and coordination. Next question. The group which contains only biodegradable waste is, the correct answer is option B, wood is biodegradable, lemon juice is biodegradable and flour is biodegradable. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, wood, lemon juice and flour. Next question. The parts present in the female part of flower is stigma is a part of female flower, ovary is style, then anther is male part. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 1, 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is option A. Stigma, ovary and style are the female part of the flower. Old wood furnitures are used by painting varnish. So it is an example for reuse. We are using the old one. Therefore, it is reuse. Next question. Heredity index can select new species in nature because of the variation. Because of the variation, we can see a heredity index. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, variation. The method of avoiding flood is, again the correct answer is afforestation. By planting new trees, we can avoid floods. Next question. The special tissue which transfers nutrition through blood from mother to growing baby is placenta. Next question. Superior and inferior vena cava transfer blood from, so they transfer blood from cells to heart. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. In Mendel experiment, the ratio of dihybrid cross in F2 generation is dihybrid cross 9:3:3:1. Next question. The hormone which controls puberty characteristics in male is produced by the part testis. Testis produces the hormone testosterone. Center of reflex action is spinal cord. The sex chromosome responsible for detecting a child in father is, option A is incorrect, option B is also incorrect. Therefore, X means it is girl, Y means it is boy. The correct option among the following option C. Blood pressure, salivary secretion, vomiting or involuntary action is controlled by medulla. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. In Fleming's left hand rule, the middle finger indicates the direction of current. In model paper 1, I have given the answer as direction of induced current. That is wrong. The correct answer is, in Fleming's left hand rule, the middle finger indicates the direction of current. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, direction of current. A place in which highly enlarged real and inverted image obtained from the convex lens is by keeping the object at f1. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, at f1. Next question. Snell's law is related to refraction of light, that is sin I divided by sin R, which is a constant. Next question. Which one of the following is not a characteristic substitute fuel, that is it should not be high cost. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having the potential difference of 12 volts? We know that P equals W by Q. Now, W equals V into Q. 2 into 12 is 24 joules. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 24 joules. Next question. Which one of the following is not the characteristic of magnetic lines? The correct answer is option D. The magnetic field lines emerge from south pole and merge at the north pole, which is incorrect. The next question. The color of live wire in the domestic circuit is the color of live wire. You can check in your home also. The color of live wire is always red. An object is placed at a distance of 30 cm from a diverging lens of focal length 15 meters. The image distance and the magnification is. This problem is little bit lengthy. I'm sure that this kind of lengthy questions will not be asked. So, be using lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F, and solving this we get V as minus 10 and the magnification is what? V by U. Image distance by object distance we get 0.33. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Next question. The formula of Ohm's law is V equals I into R. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Very simple question. The above circuit indicates respectively indicates ammeter and battery. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. 78 question. The major gas present in biogas is, that is methane is a major component of biogas. Safety measure to avoid overload from the circuit is, how can we avoid, read the question properly, how can we avoid the overload? Overload can be avoided by not using many appliances at a time, that is option C is correct. Connecting appliances to different socket, that means the load will be distributed equally. Therefore, the correct answer is B and C. Therefore, the correct answer is option D is the correct answer. B and C are correct. Now moving to next question. In which medium light travels fastly? Refractive index N equals C by V. If the material medium speed decreases, refractive index increases. Using this concept, check out the least refractive index among the following is air. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, air. Among the following, which has the least refractive index? Air. That means the light will travel faster in that medium. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, air. Students, I hope these videos and questions are helping you out. The response was very good. I hope you all will read and revise all these questions before the exams. Only few days left. In total, you will learn 320 questions. Thank you for watching the video. Best wishes for your exam. Do well.